There must be something wrong with the... Let me try that one more time. This is the Bosch GAA12V-21. Let's have a close look at this. This port is for your heated hood, jacket, or vest, and the USB outlet to maybe charge your cell phone. You get your 12-volt Bosch battery here, just locking into place. These are outlets, not inlets. You don't charge the battery with this housing here. It's only meant to charge out or power on your devices. Let's power up the vest. Got a nice belt clip and the USB on. If you leave this on, it will automatically shut off after a minute if it notices that nothing's charging. It's at 2.1 amps. It'll get the job done. And by the way, Bosch also wants you to use common sense. And when using the portable adapter, do not use while you are tired or under the influence of drugs, alcohol, or medication. Do not expose portable power adapters to rain or wet conditions. You might not want to get water inside these. Pretty fancy smancy.